Welcome everyone to Vested Interest. This is Shane back again for the last stock pick of the day for the week, the very first week of October. Closing it out again, this year is just flying by. Hope you've had a great year. This has been a pretty productive year for me. I hope it has been for you as well. We are going to cover a UPS today. It is a delivery service. I'm sure everyone has heard or seen UPS trucks, probably even used their service. So let's jump right in and take a look. So UPS, it all started with $100 back in 1907. So another one that has been around for a long time. They have weathered the storm, downturns in the market, Great Depressions, Great Recession, wars, you name it, famines, feasts, good times and bad. They continue to keep on rolling, delivering packages. In 1907, two teenage entrepreneurs created what would become the world's largest package delivery service, starting in Seattle basement with a $100 loan. Claude Ryan and Jim Casey opened the American Messenger Company. So they obviously changed their name along the way. And it went from there to where it is currently, 534,000 employees across 220 countries and territories that they serve, 25.2 million packages delivered daily, and for 2021, $97.3 billion in total revenue. If you want to know more about them, check them out at about.ups.com. That is their homepage. And the reason we're taking a look at them today, they were down 1.39%, down at $2.33, closed out the day October 6th at $165.60. We are talking about United Parcel Service Inc., UPS. That's the ticker. 52-week range as low as $159.42, as high as $233.72. So they are flirting with that 52-week low at 165, not too far off that 159.42. Average volume is 2.8. Volume today was 2.2, so a little lower volume than normal. Market cap is $143.25 billion, so they are a large cap company. Beta of 1.12, a little more volatile than the overall market. You can clearly see that volatility and the downturn here towards the end of the day. They have a PE ratio, nice PE ratio, pretty low at 13.30. Earnings per share is $12.45 per share. Earnings date coming up on October 25th. Forward dividend is $6.08. That's what you'd get paid out on the year for each share you owned. The yield is 3.62, and I believe they are a quarterly payer, so divide the $6.08 by 4, and that would give you your quarterly payout. Ex-dividend date, the last one was August 12th, and according to Yahoo Finance, where I pulled this information, not affiliated, just a site that I like to pull information from, they have a one-year target estimated stock price of $208.07. Now let's jump over to stockanalysis.com. And according to the 35 stock analysts they've had look at this, they call it a consensus buy, though it is close to that hold and buy arm here. So some of these analysts probably had a hold or even a sell on this one. And if you go to this site, stockanalysis.com, another one I'm not affiliated with, but if you clicked on these, if you were on the site, it would tell you how many people it will sell, how many people were estimating a hold, how many were telling you a buy, and how many would tell you a strong buy. And their low, according to stock analysts, is $149.48. So that would be a continuation of the downturn here, 9.73% more to the downside, according to some. The average estimate is $214.67 per share, which would be a 29.63% increase from where it currently sits. And if it happened to hit the high, $263.55, that would be a 59.15% increase in stock price. All the while you could collect that dividend. Now this is where I typically show you my position. I do not have a position in UPS, but it is one that I'm interested in for the right price. I would love this down in the 140s if it ever got there. I am comfortable not owning it if it doesn't, but I just feel it's a little overvalued for me. I mean, I'd like it around a 10 PE, 11 PE maybe. And we'll see if we really get into a deep recession. Maybe shipping takes a hit or even greater hit than it has and it goes lower. But this one, personally, I would say I'm not super interested unless, like I said, it gets to the right price. And I'm interested in any stock at the right price and the right dividend yield. So And that is really it. This is the end of the video. I did want to share with you again. This is day 3. They did drop the pool in the hole today. They're going to be hooking up the plumbing, backfilling, and doing the coping around the pool. And then on this backside here, I'm actually having them install a little bit of a retaining wall. So they'll be working on that here over the next few days. So thought I would share that with you. Like I said, day 3 of the pool install. If you've been watching the last few days, you've seen them dig up my backyard, and it continues to remain quite a mess. I have them leave some dirt here too, because I've got some backfilling along the side of the house I want to do. So again, that is it for this one. Quick hitters, trying to find value in the market. There was a lot more red today than there was to start the week. I think we had a nice little bounce after a significant sell-off last week, but I do believe we are still in a downtrend. So I foresee continued pain in the market, but for me, that presents buying opportunities. I'm going to continue to dollar cost average into positions within my portfolio, potentially add some whenever some positions get to the buy price that I have set, continue to decrease my cost basis, increase my potential yield or my future returns and my yield along the way. So that's my plan. As always, appreciate you stopping by. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to show me some love. Hit that thumbs up, ring the notification bell. Most importantly, subscribe to the channel. Join me on this journey to financial freedom. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think of UPS. Is it in your portfolio? Is it one you're watching? Is it one you're avoiding altogether? I do personally read and respond to the comments. I'm always interested to read your questions, opinions, suggestions for future topics, or constructive criticism. Go ahead and drop it all down below. And this is Shane signing off, wishing peace and prosperity to you and yours. And remember, financial security comes to those who take a vested interest. Hey, thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you in the next one. I'm not a financial advisor. Nothing in this presentation should be considered financial advice. I'm only sharing my opinion and investing journey for educational and entertainment purposes. Investing involves risk and can money and should never invest any amount and not come to losing. Always do your own research, invest based on your situation, circumstances, and select criteria, or seek the advice and counsel of a certified financial advisor.